Hello guys, today I'm going to start telling the story about Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there was a little girl. Her name was Goldilocks. She was a blonde hair. One day Goldilocks was walking in the forest. She saw a house and knocked on the door. She went inside and nobody was there. Goldilocks saw three bowls on the table. She was hungry. This porridge is too hot. This porridge is too cold. This porridge is just right. Goldilocks eat all the porridge. Goldilocks was tired. This chair is too big. This chair is too big too. And this chair is just right. But the chair broke. Goldilocks was very tired. She went upstairs. This bed is too hard. This bed is too soft. And this bed is just right. Soon the bears come home. Someone's been eating my porridge, said Daddy Bear. Someone's been eating my porridge, said Mommy Bear. And someone is eating my porridge, and it's all gone, said Baby Bear. Someone is sitting on my chair, said Daddy Bear. Someone's been sitting on my chair, said Mom Bear. And someone's been sitting on my chair, and it's broken, said Baby Bear. Someone's been sleeping in my bed, said Daddy Bear. Someone's been sleeping in my bed, said Mommy Bear. And someone has been sleeping in my bed, and she's still here, said Baby Bear. Goldilocks woke up and saw the three bears' head. She ran downstairs and into the forest. She never came back again. And that's it. Guys, for the activity, I'm going to send you by Classroom. And you need to answer this activity. Chicos, las actividades se las voy a enviar vía Classroom. Así que es necesario que ustedes las chequen. Si hay alguna modificación durante la semana, se les haré saber. Espero que hayan disfrutado de este video. Cuídense mucho y un enorme abrazo.